Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and if you want to redeem your PayPal gift card in your PayPal application, then this video is for you. So first thing, you must need a PayPal account, a verified account. Make sure that the PayPal account is verified with some identification of yours. Then you have to do is go to your account, then select the wallet section. Then in wallet menu, you should click on add money, then enter your gift card details. Make sure that you have add the details correctly without any type of mistake, and specify the amount you want to redeem. Then also pay attention to the fact that if you have a PayPal account in dollars while the gift card is in another currency, then it will be automatically converted to the currency of your account and according to current rate here. So you just need to do here, you can find the wallet section. You can simply click on this wallet at the header section simply, and then from there you can find a redeem gift card or gift card section, or where you can actually redeem your gift card. So that's how you can just simply do it. Hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.